Let's go! I'm dropping. Is this a
Are you?
boss?
Is it? I don't see
No.
anything.
I don't think it's a boss.
Okay.
Oh god, it's a boss!
Uh-huh.
It's
Is
a
it?
gargoyle!
Is it?
I think! It's a gargoyle!
Oh.
Goliath! Oh hell. I just have one Estus. I'm screwed.
I mean, there's 3 of us. However, I forget if I mentioned this. A boss's health changes proportionally to the amount of players you bring in. So with me and Solaire here, you got a bit.
Hell. Goliath!
Like, I can still hit him. Hey, look, I got you a tail. None of you guys are moving.
Excuse me, sir. Are you familiar with the channel series Goliath?
What the hell is happening
Gargoyles?
with this? The tail just spawned back. What the hell? Okay, this is weird. Did I miss the part where the second one came in?
Estus? Estus?
So are you gonna you gonna attack him at all? Or are you just gonna let me and Solaire do all the
No. I was attacking. I did like 4 heavy swings of damage.
Hey, there he goes. Oh, hey, look, victory achieved. So now here's what I want you to do.
Wait, hold on. I think I'm already doing it.
What are you doing?
Trying to
You're like-
set up my victory animation.
My victory animation.
Huh. For some reason, select. Oh, now select's working.
Did you have your menu open?
For some reason, select wasn't working.
Did you have your menu open?
No.
Or was
no,
there an item on the screen that you did not clear for getting?
No. So what do you want me to do?
You know the tower that you were pointing toward when you first came in?
Yeah.
Go up that.
Which way?
The tower where the gargoyles were on. When you
This
first
one?
came in, you were looking at it. I literally don't know what you're looking at. You know that, right? Like,
This
I'm
one.
gone.
Oh. I did not know that.
Yeah, you beat the boss. I disappear.
So the tower where the gargoyles were on.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, I don't know which way that was. Okay, I'll try this way.
It should literally be the only one you can get into, I think.
Is it the one with
The one that's tall.
What?
The one that's tall. It's a tower. You're on the roof.
Okay, I'm going into that building.
Uh-huh.
Oh god. Ladder.
Yes, go up the ladder. Take the ladder.
Oh god, I only have one Estus flask.
I guarantee you there's no enemies. However, I can't promise you won't just throw yourself off the cliff by being stupid.
God. Oh god, I might be stupid.
Might be. You're not going to see me arguing.
Is there a bonfire?
No.
Oh God.
Oh, it's because I zoned out. That's why. Forgot about that.
Okay, climb ladder.
Climb the ladder. Get to as tall up there as you can. Get up high.
Okay.
Gotta smoke that dank cushion. Get up high, man.
Uh. Oh!
Oh?
Oh!
Oh, what happened?
Oh!
What are you doing?
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
Victory!
Oh, for Christ's sake. What did you do?
I rang a bell!
Congratulations! There's another one. Hey, I think that was you, because now I'm hearing a bell in my world.
Yay! Ring the bell on something true.
Alright, now go back down the tower. There will be a new friend waiting for you at the bottom.
Oh God.
He's not going to attack you unless you do something stupid and attack him first.
I just discovered the joy of holding circle and press down a lat. Oh no! Oh, that hurt!
Oh, did you accidentally tap it and let go?
No, I didn't grab it, and I walked off and lost like half my health.
Oh, good job. Just wait till you get to Dark Souls 2 where it'll let you, like, speed climb a ladder. Anyway, there should be a friend waiting for you right there.
I'm talking to him at the moment.
Oh, yeah, he's your buddy. He's a good friend.
Well, what is it?
Yes. One of the best
Purchase
emotes.
Item. Indictment. Report trespass of invader. That might be interesting.
I'll tell you right now, that doesn't really do anything.
Oh.
I mean, it technically does. It just makes it more likely for, like, defensive spirits to be summoned in to attack an invader that comes and invades your world.
Reduce curse. Is that poison or?
Reduce curse? No. Curse is a completely separate thing.
Should I have that?
I would rather you keep your souls at the moment. So that way you can either level up your item or yourself. You know, one of the two.
Okay. So I'm on the roof. I will.
You can head back down. Let me know when you get back down to the bottom floor of the parish.
Okay.
And you can go through those two doors that have a fog wall, or that did have a fog wall while I was with you. Just make sure the one actually has a floor there.
Climb down. Climb down. Climbing down. Climbing down. And jumping the rest of the way. Oh, I can't.
Congratulations. You died because you jumped down a ladder.
Okay. Was there anything super important at the top of that spiral staircase that I decided not to go up?
Actually, yes. So if you want to actually head to that first, I wish I could be there, but I don't think you can summon me in now that the boss is dead.
Would there be something dangerous? Because I only have one Estus flask.
No, won't be dangerous. You'll be fine.
Oh, so it's not like massive enemies?
Nope. That was pretty much a dead end, I'll tell you that. But there's something at the end of it.
A locked gate.
Locked gate?
Well, I'm not too sure if it's locked because... Wait, can I... I cannot open the gate.
Is there anything on the other side of the gate?
Not that I could see from my angle. There... Wait. Oh. That was stupid.
What did you do?
No, I watched the bloodstain and some guy just jumped off and jumped to his death.
That's always the best to see, because it's like, I wonder how... Oh, you were just dumb. Okay.
Okay, because I come... Or is this not the staircase room that I was in? Oh yeah, no, I smashed through the wooden door.
Yes.
And there was a staircase going up, and then another staircase going up, and at the top of that was a gate.
Yes.
It didn't say locked, because there is nothing that I could really do, because there's just a bloodstain and no open function.
Can you hit triangle there? Because sometimes you'll have the ability to switch action.
No.
Or does that just make you two-hand and not two-hand?
No, not that.
Okay. All right. Well, all right. Well, whatever.
What was
I thought
up
I remembered
there?
something being there, but I guess not.
Oh.
All right. So go all the way back down then. And through those.
Oh yes, and at the end of this hallway was humanity.
Yep.
What did you think was at the top of those staircase?
I thought it was another item, and I thought the mystery key opened that gate.
Oh.
I guess not.
Okay. This way is nothing. This way is something. Smash. Smash. Yay. Oh, would there be a bonfire close by?
I would recommend first, before you start looking for a bonfire, is to go through those fog gates that I couldn't go through.
I
mean, they shouldn't be there anymore, because, you know, I'm gone.
Through the fog gate? Or an elevator?
I mean, yep, take the elevator.
Oh god, the door's closing.
Yeah. Don't worry, you can get back there.
Oh my god, I think I know where I am.
Do you?
It's that one shaft that I jumped down in the town.
Congratulations. Do you see how this level has looped back on itself now?
Oh, wow. Wait. Oh. Okay. Oh god,
Is your brain putting together how those, how that circle worked now?
Oh my god, wait. Wait. I see an item.
Oh. Is there an item
Item.
missed, maybe?
Soul of Lost Undead, okay.
Yeah, it's one you missed.
But now I'm completely lost. How would I get back to the main area?
There should be a staircase down.
Staircase. Down. Another staircase down. Another staircase. Down. Dude! Oh, I know you. You taught Joy, I think.
I will
Yeah.
teach you miracles.
Miracles.
This is a
You will teach me miracles.
Yes.
Seek guidance and talismans.
I mean, you said you weren't gonna go miracles just yet, so whether or not you want to do that, that's up to you. But I know you were saying you weren't gonna do that.
Restore high HP.
Uh huh.
That might be
But-
helpful.
Yeah, but there's also a not a limit. What am I talking about? A faith requirement. You need to have a certain level of faith to use that.
So my faith
I think your faith is like
Come again.
9.
the effectiveness
is...
seems
What is my faith? No, I want to check my faith. My faith.
Yeah, see, there's no way. I think that's like 17.
14.
14, so you can't use it.
And even if I boosted faith, that costs 14,000.
Mm-hmm. You still need to pay the souls for it.
Oh, bonfire!
Yes. Also, there is a
Also
thing
what?
you can do-
Also what? Also what?
There's a thing you can do now that you're there.
Oh, I thought you were going to say also there's something waiting for you.
Yes. It's called a Better Estus Flask.
Should I rest?
I mean, you can.
Oh, better Estus flask.
All right, so I want you to take a look at our unhappy boy who was, making fun of you before when you first got here.
Right.
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 Look straight at him.
Should I hit him with my axe?
If you think you can take him, you can, but that's not what I was going for.
Talk to him.
No. There should be a staircase if you're staring at him to your left.
Wait to the left.
Yes. It spirals downward.
Left?
why, what a surprise.
I didn't expect you to make it.
You rang the bell. Wait,
Yes, that was me.
you
Who were you talking to?
Only one more, but it's going to be soon. Okay. Ha 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 ha.
Oh. Oh, okay. All right, now I know who you're talking to. So, is that a guy in gold armor?
Silver.
Oh, are you still? Oh, is it still that unhappy dude that talked to us the first time?
Yeah.
Okay, you didn't find the staircase then.
Oh, and here it is.
There you go.
Oh, there's gold armor, dude.
Yes.
This area looks a little bit too quiet.
So here's the thing. Because you're gonna see this anyway when you come into my world. He was the one waiting for you in that cell up there.
perhaps we can help one another.
He's the one waiting for me in the cell?
Yeah, the one that was empty that I said there might be something in. He was in there.
Oh.
And he managed to get his own way out, apparently.
No response. She cannot speak.
Yes. However,
Reinforce Estus flask.
do that.
So now the Estus flask +1.
It heals more health.
Yes! Wait, hold on. Let me get a better camera angle for this.
Oh God.
Joy!
Jesus. Oh, you're really getting into the emotes.
Only joy. Only joy.
Oh. Alright, so if you want to take that elevator back up here, and I'll summon you into my world,
So-
and we can take care of the gargoyles here.
Oh. Okay, because you didn't ring the bell yet?
Nope. Unless you want to use your souls to, like, level up or something first.
That would be helpful. That would be helpful.
Yes.
And my strength juice.
Uh-huh.
Do I have a stamina stat?
Endurance.
Endurance. Okay.
Endurance will raise your stamina and how much you can carry on you. Or, I should say, how much your armor you can wear. Like, how heavy it can be.
Endurance. I will do that by that. I
Endurance
will
is
do
always a good one to level.
faith.
Do you want faith, or do you want more health, or do you want more strength?
I will give myself 2 endurance and 1 faith. At the moment.
Okay, just keep in mind, every time you level up, it takes more souls to get a level.
Yeah, I've been noticing that.
So, you know, the idea usually is to get, like, what base stats you want to get to a certain level. And then, you know, you start filling out the other stuff, like, you know, endurance or health,
Wait.
whatever.
What would happen again if I would do reverse hollowing when I'm reverse hollowed?
Nothing.
Oh, so I would waste a humanity.
It wouldn't even use it.
Oh.
I mean, if you used a humanity itself, like not at the bonfire, you'd get 1, and you'd get a minor bump to all your stats, you know, temporarily until you died. But if you tried to reverse hollowing at a bonfire while you're already human, it'll do nothing.
Okay. Was it he? No, that's nothing. What happens if I would go he? No, that's nothing. Yay for getting lost. Oh my god, pots. No, must resist.
You have a weird obsession. I mean, the next thing I know, you're just going to be going, "Huh? Ha! Ah!" That'll literally be the next thing I hear out of your mouth. But that's the next phase of the Lincolning.
I almost went in the wrong side.
Jesus Christ.
I was going to say, how do I make this go? Because I don't see a trigger.
There should
By
be a
the
pressure
way-
plate right in the center.
Spin! Spin!
You're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, I'm referencing somebody else that you probably don't watch, and I
Probably
find it
correct.
amusing. Oh god. Everybody will be back.
Yes, they will. However, you can technically just run straight across if you'd want to.
And outside?
What's that?
Outside?
I mean, outside, yeah, there'll be like 3 there. But other than them, like the guys that would have attacked you in the main area, they're gone permanently.
And are you outside?
I'll drop my summoning sign.
Okay, let
Actually,
me
you know what? What am I saying? You're dropping yours. I'm dumb. Use it. Bring out the sign.
Hold on.
I don't know where you're. I also don't know where you're putting it. So
Hold on. Let me just take care of these idiots first.
They just want hugs.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god!
Oh God.
It might be a little while before I'm there again.
Jesus Christ! What happened?
As I was taking care of one guy, the arrow guy killed me.
Oh, yeah. See, yeah, that's why I usually beeline it for the arrow guy.
Yay! So, I will pick this up again. I'm summoned into his world.
Death is
Yay!
everywhere. Death is forever.